This is ANN News Brief.
I'm Lucy Adeyemi. Director of the Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Africa CDC, John Ikengasong, has praised African leaders for supporting a joint continental strategy to deal with the coronavirus pandemic. He said the continent's experience with diseases like Ebola had helped African countries to develop contact tracing measures that have helped in dealing with the coronavirus pandemic. During a television program, Ikengasong said public health initiatives on the continent, including increased testing, contact tracing, and wearing of face masks had led to a drop in new coronavirus cases. The World Health Organization previously said the COVID-19 outbreak in Africa may have passed its peak. It released fresh data on Monday that indicated Africa had reported a 12% drop in new coronavirus cases. He said the early interventions put in place by different countries also helped in containing the virus. Mozambique authorities are considering closing down beaches again and tightening safety measures to limit the spread of coronavirus after beachgoers violated safety protocols on the first weekend since the beaches were reopened. Government spokesperson Philamio Swazi told journalists people had failed to adhere to social distancing and wearing face masks on the beaches. He said the authorities will monitor people's behavior on the beaches in the coming long weekends to determine the government's response. The country has so far confirmed more than 7,000 coronavirus cases and 45 deaths. The government spokesperson said the results of the evaluation, especially of the beaches, may indicate corresponding measures to be taken. We'll be right back.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
Uganda Ministry of Health says it has received more than 1,000 machines for early diagnosis of HIV in infants and viral load testing. The ministry's Director General for Health Services, Harry Nwimbasa, said over the last 10 years, the number of babies born with HIV has reduced. The Abbott MPMA point-of-care machines donated by Abbott Rapid Diagnostics Uganda were received by the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Health, Dr. Diana Atwene, along with other development partners, dignitaries, and implementing partners.
These machines are going also to help us to test early infant diagnosis and viral load testing of HIV. So it is helping us to reach the people in hard to reach. We believe that this is going to enhance care. It will also help us to further reduce the maternal to child infection and also be able to intervene for those children that will be born.
She said the entire country had only 32 machines for diagnosing babies that are born with infections. Abbott Country Manager says the company has a mission to enable access to quality health care for Ugandans and to ensure that babies are born in good health and that they get good start in life. The machines will strengthen timely testing of HIV in infants across the country and eliminate transmission of infections from mother to child. That is ANN News Brief at 11. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.